Are you looking for the top 5 camping cook stove? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 camping cook stove on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Coleman Triton 2-Burner Propane Stove. The Coleman Triton 2-Burner Propane Stove is a reliable and powerful cooking companion for all your outdoor adventures. Designed with portability and performance in mind, it delivers up to 22,000 BTUs of total cooking power across 2 independently adjustable burners, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. The Perfect Flows technology ensures consistent heat, even in cold weather or low fuel conditions, while the wind-blocking panels shield the flames for steady cooking outdoors. With an easy push-button Insta-Start ignition, you can light the stove without matches, making setup quick and simple. Its chrome-plated grate and removable heavy-duty steel cooktop make cleaning effortless after meals. Compact yet sturdy, this propane stove fits 12-inch and 10-inch pans simultaneously, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or picnics. The Coleman Triton 2-Burner Stove offers convenience, power, and durability, everything you need for delicious outdoor cooking anywhere. Number 2. Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer 2. The original camp cooking system. The stove is just a start. Mix and match accessories like barbecue grill boxes, professional griddles, reversible cast iron grills, and even artisan pizza ovens to create the camp kitchen you want. 2 patented aluminum burners, highly efficient blue flame, burners with output of 30,000 BTU each. If flame is yellow open burner air vent. Fits 14-inch system accessories. Look for the blue flame logo on your Camp Chef stove. Then find accessories with the same logo to create your camp kitchen. On this double burner stove, use 2 single burner accessories side by side or 1 double burner accessory. Adjust air shutter open until burner shows blue flame. Easy cooking experience. Features 448 square inches of cooking space for groups of all sizes, a 3-sided windscreen, and appliance-style knobs for easy heat adjustment. Outdoor cooking has never been easier than with the Explorer series. Camp Chef quality. Camp Chef stands behind the quality of their outdoor cooking products, from stoves to pellet grills. You won't find more durable, high-performing cooking gear anywhere for camping, tailgating, catering, hunting, back patio, and more. Number 3. Camping Stove 3 Burners Propane Portable Camp Stove. Portable. This 3-burner portable camping stove comes with a carry handle that allows you to carry it conveniently. It has a compact structure and weighs only 10 pounds, which makes it even easier to carry it around. It can be taken along in a luggage or storage box or even large tote bag, so carrying this portable propane camping stove is a breeze thing to do. Size: 23.4 inches by 12.8 inches by 3.4 inches. Weight: 9.9 lb. Adjustable 3 burners. This camping gas stove is equipped with 3 independently adjustable knobs, 2 of piezo ignition burners with 6,600 BTU power. The middle downward burner is designed for toasting, 7,200 BTU power, and requires manual ignition. We recommend that you use a piezo lighter. It relies on heat radiation to heat and won't burn the toast. Easy to clean. Our portable propane stove comes with a drip tray that makes it easy for quick cleanup. You won't be bothered by stains on tables or clothes. All you need to do after cooking is to remove the tray and wipe it until it looks clean again, and put it back to the camping stove case. Easy installation and use. No need to buy hose connector or other accessories. It's ready to be used after connecting to a 16-ounce propane tank. Or you can buy a propane hose connector if the propane tank is over 16 ounces. The camping cooking stove has a windshield fixing clip, which helps you to continue cooking if the weather becomes windy suddenly or facing other unfavorable weathers. Number 4. 2-Burner Portable Camping Stove Propane. Powerful burners. Fast cooking. Our propane camping stove packs a punch, with 2 powerful burners delivering a combined 17,000 BTUs. Boiling water in just 3 minutes for quick and consistent heating. At only 5.5 pounds and folding down to 9.5 inches, it's super portable. Plus, it comes with a carry bag, grill pan, windshield, and a 40-inch gas connector. These features make your outdoor cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable, giving you everything you need for a complete setup. Dual burner camp stove. This camp stove propane features a dual burner design with 2 independently adjustable burners. The well-crafted spacing of the 2-burner propane stove allows for the simultaneous use of 2 8-inch cookware pieces. Each burner is designed for precise heat control, catering to a variety of cooking methods, from gentle simmering to intense frying. Upgraded ignition system. Unlike traditional stoves that require a cumbersome 2-handed press, our stove features a revolutionary pull-and-push ignition system. This upgrade allows for effortless one-handed ignition, making lighting your stove safe, easy, and burn-free. Our camp stove is your outdoor cooking best friend. Whether you're in the woods, by the beach, or just hanging out in your backyard, you can easily whip up a stir-fry, grill some tasty sandwiches, or brew a fresh pot of coffee. Number 5. Nature Hike 2-burner folding camping stove. The perfect outdoor cooking solution. Cook a variety of foods including eggs, burgers, steak, bread, and vegetables on the griddle while brewing coffee on the side burner. Ideal for camping and tailgating, or any outdoor event. Easily set up and maintained, the folding structure allows for quick setup of the propane camping stove. Major parts can be easily disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled, which makes maintenance a breeze. Portable and multifunctional Nature Hike's folding camp stove is portable and lightweight, folding into the carry bag, 10.6 inches by 8.5 inches by 5.1 inches and 5.2 pounds in weight. The 2 burners are made of rust-resistant, heat-resistant 430 stainless steel with a durable matte frosted shell surface. Capable of supporting 11 pounds each, compatible with propane cylinders. The 2 burners can be controlled separately with a stepless adjustment feature. The control knob is designed with piezo ignition, making it easier to light the burners. Provides a stable cooking platform outdoors. Why ETL certification matters. Our product has been rigorously tested and certified by ETL, a globally recognized safety standard. This means it meets strict requirements for electrical safety, performance, and durability. When you choose our product, you're choosing a trusted, high-quality solution that prioritizes your safety and satisfaction.